chapter number 11, If I Were You, this is from your book Behind. Now, if you see the title of the story, If I Were You, so this tells that the author is saying that he wants to be like somebody, or maybe somebody wants to be like the author. So let's see what it is exactly like, and let's see this play. So it is actually a play and not a story or a kind of prologue or something. It is actually a play which is being written by Douglas James. Okay, play is a type of conversation and where people are actually acting upon the stage. So Douglas James was a British colonial administrator, and he was basically a British, and he has written this play about Gerard, who escapes killer through his sheer cleverness. So Gerard was a very clever person, and he was so clever that he escapes a person, a killer who was there, who has come to kill him. We'll be reading the reason later on. He has come to kill him, and Gerard, who was so smart and clever that he actually escaped him with his cleverness and with his so smartness and wittiness. There is also same kind of story you will be reading in your 10th standard also. It is very similar like this story. There also the person tries to escape the killer. So some similar type of story is here also. Let's see how smart this person Gerard is. So Gerard in the story is a playwright and had to leave his house. So he was a playwright. He used to write plays. Again, please see the spelling of playwright. It is not W-R-I-T-E. Whenever we are saying playwright is a person who writes plays and who handles everything related to the play. So the spelling of the playwright is P-L-A-Y-W-R-I-G-H-T. That is right here is this right. So he had to leave his house and was actually in the beginning of the play. As soon as the curtains open, we see that Gerard is the main character. He's the protagonist and who's a very smart and witty person. He's just packing his bags as he has to leave the house in order to deliver the props for the rehearsals. So this is what Gerard used to do. Gerard used to usually he would just move from one place to another in order to drop props, whatever is required for the enaction of play. So he would actually always be doing the packing and sending everything over there. So that's why maximum times he was away from his house, and maximum times he has to pack his bags. So in the beginning he is packing his bag, and now let's see what happens in the story.